reason is about Christ's birth. And we should understand that. We should really research it as much as we can. Because through Christ, anything is possible. And that's why we're here in this initiative to, light the world one step at a time. Just like it says in the scriptures that by small and simple things, great things shall come to pass. So every small little effort, parang seed lang. It'll grow. It'll bear fruit. Just like us helping those that are in need. So ngayon, speaking of helping those in need, I think we need to help and listen to a very beautiful voice. What do you guys think? Yeah. Right? So let us welcome, without further ado, who will give us some enlightenment through the spirit of music as well. Because that's also one way to share, is to share through music, through sound. And let us please give a round of applause to Miss Lani Misalucha. Hindi niya alam. On the spot na to, guys.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I am Lani Misalucha. I just want to thank each and every one of you for being here today and for giving your support to Light the World Giving Machine. And we all know that this is going to benefit a lot of children and a lot of the foundations that are involved in this event. So last minute I was just told to give something for all of you. So I will try my best to sing at this hour. Can we try that one? Yes.
We'll try and...
So, at like talagang ngayon lang talaga binigay yung music. Do you think it will it will play?
Check. I think I can probably beatbox for you. No, but I think
That would be nice.
Inayos lang po nila. Sana kasi sorry po on the spot na talaga, sister, ha. But honestly, if I had a voice, kasi hanggang kembutan lang ako, if I had a voice, I would do a duet or something.
Maybe you
like
just stick to the
I'll stick to
keyboard,
dancing,
yeah.
right? So I'll just move out and go over there. I'll check up on the music. Thank you, everyone. Be with us, please.
So earlier, so we have the Hero Foundation. Honestly, I'm not really aware of the Hero. Who is that? Kayo po, can you tell me about the Hero? Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng Hero?
Help, educate, and rear our orphans. The orphans of those soldiers who were killed in action in service to our country. So we give them scholarships, and our intention really is to give them counseling also, so that we can guide them not only through education but also through life. And in fact, we're very grateful for Light the World for lighting their path ahead of them. So we're really very grateful.
Salamat po. At least ngayon alam ko na po. Well, thank you so much for what you do for the foundation. Ay, game na ba? Can you just bring up the music, ha?